Hello students, welcome to Standard 10, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. This is lecture number 5. In last lecture, we have seen the trigo table and related examples we have done. And exercise 8.2, you have solved in like homework. The next in this chapter is the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. As you know about the complementary angles as, if the two angles sum is 90 degree, then both the angles are called complementary angles. And here, this all things we are talking about in right angle triangle, like triangle ABC. If I take this way, and angle B in that 90 degree. So what will be angle in triangle ABC? If angle B is 90 degree, then angle A and angle C, acute angles, as well as you know the angle sum property of a triangle, all the three angles sum is 180 degree. So one angle is 90 degree, so remaining two angles, angle A and angle C, will make angle A plus angle C will make 90 degree. So angle A and angle C are called complementary angles. And angle C can also be written as 90 minus angle A. So this is called complementary angles whose two angles sum is 90 degree. They are called complementary angles. So for these two remaining acute angles, what is the relation that we will see in this lecture? And very simple, if you want to remember it, so we have written that way only, that trigonometric ratio of sine 90 minus theta will give you cos theta. It and reverse also, and cos 90 minus theta gives sin theta. Reverse is also true. Similarly, tan 90 degree minus theta equals to cot theta, and its reverse, cot 90 degree minus theta is tan theta. And sec 90 degree minus theta is equals to cosec theta, and its reverse, cosec 90 degree minus theta is sec theta. These are all the complementary angle trigonometric ratios and related formula. And these 6 are also useful in next coming examples. You will see how we can use it. Example 9 like that. Evaluate tan 65 degree upon cot 25 degree. So in solution, tan 65 degree upon cot 25 degree we have done. Now, in this type of complementary angle related questions, we have to change one of the function and don't change the other function. So if I change tan, I don't change cot. If I change cot, I will not change tan. So in this question, what I have done, I have changed this tan 65. That is tan theta like that. Tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta. This we have. So tan 65 can also be written as cot 90 minus 65 because of this formula. Right? Now cot 90 minus 65 is cot 90 minus 65 is 25 degree. And upon cot 25 degree, as it is, we are writing in all the steps. So as you can see here, cot 25 degree up and cot 25 degree down will be cancel each other, and we will have only 1 remaining. So answer is 1. Very similar. Example 10. If sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degree, where 3a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So in solution, we start with the given here, sin 3a equals to cos a minus 26 degree, it is given. Right? Now, sin 3a means sin theta can also be written as cos 90 minus theta. So sin 3a can also be written as cos 90 minus 3a from this formula. Sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. So sin 3a equals to cos 90 minus 3a, and this cos a minus 26 as it is. Right? Here we write the reason. This first, it was given in the question, and in second, as you know, what we have here, sin theta equals cos 90 minus theta, that is 0. So sin 3a equals to cos 90 minus 3a and cos a minus 26. Now both the side cos function we can cancel because 3a is an acute angle. So if cos function is cancelled, the remaining angle is 90 degree minus 3a on the left, and on the right the angles are a minus 26. That can be compared, that can be equated. Now simplification is 90 degree. This minus 26 is taken on the left is plus 26. This is equal sign. This is a as it is. This minus 3a is taken on the right. This becomes plus 3a. A and 3a becomes 4a equals 90 and 26 becomes 116. So 4a equals to 116. So a equals to 4 will be divided. 4 will divide 116. If you divide 116 by 4, you will get 29. So a equals to 29 degree. We have the value of a that was asked. Next example 11 we have express cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree in the terms of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. This expression is in 85 degree and 75 degree, and we have to change it to the angle must be between 0 degree and 45 degree only, not greater than 45. That we need here. So what to do? Solution here, cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree given. So we can use cot theta equals to tan 90 minus theta. So cot 85 equals to tan 90 minus 85 plus as plus cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. So cos 75 equal to sin 90 minus 75. Now just simplify 10. It is 90 minus 85 5 degree plus sin 90 minus 75 is 15 degree. So we have the angles with 5 degree and 15 degree, which is in between 0 degree and 45 degree. So our expression is in the given range between 0 and 45 degree. So this is our expression answer. After this example 11, you have the exercise 8.3. So you are suggested to do the homework, solve exercise 8.3 in homework completely, in which we have to use this complementary angle related formula. And this type of examples we have seen, that is only that type of questions you will find, so you can solve it. Only one question number 6 in this exercise 8.3 is somewhat some more thing we have to do in that. So therefore we have done it here in this lecture only. So you can see this question number 6 of 8.3 because it needs some extra knowledge also before 9th standard knowledge also. So we have done here, and it is the question number 6 is if A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, you know the three angles are angle A, angle B, angle C, interior angles. So they are denoted as ABC only, the interior angles of the triangle ABC. Then we have to show that sin B plus C upon 2 equals cos A by 2. This we want to show. So in solution, in triangle ABC, A, B, C are interior angles. This is given. If three angles are given, so by angle sum property of a triangle, you know, sum of all three angles is 180 degree. By angle sum property of a triangle, in 9th standard the theorem was there, and we are using very often this. All the three angles sum equals to 180 degree. Here three angles are shown by ABC, so we have written like that. A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. And very simple now, B plus C is here only, plus A on the left is taken on the right, is minus A. So we have this expression, B plus C equals to 180 minus A. And this whole expression is divided by 2 now. So what we will have? The B plus C upon 2 equals to 180 upon 2 minus A upon 2. 2 is divided in each term. Now B plus C upon 2 as it is, 180 degree upon 2 will give 90 degree minus A by 2 as it is. So applying both the sides sign, because B plus C upon 2 on that sign is applied. So B plus C upon 2 we have got. So we apply sign on both the side of the left and right side, both the side. So this side expression will be sign of B plus C upon 2 equals to this side expression will be sign of 90 degree minus A by 2. Both the side sign is applied. On the left side it is written same, sin B plus C upon 2. On the right side it is sin 90 minus theta. As you know, sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. The So sin 90 minus a by 2 will be cos a by 2. In place of theta a by 2 is there. So cos a by 2. Hence we have shown whatever we wanted to show. Sin b plus c upon 2 equals to cos a by 2. That we get this way. So very simple type of questions and examples we have in this using the complementary angle formula. So you are suggested to write this all formula and all these examples as well as this question number 6 of exercise 8.3, which needs some more things knowledge of 9th standard also. So that we have done. And the remaining question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and question number 7 also you are suggested to do as homework. So exercise 8.3 and complete.